Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. Sorry we're a bit late. We were having some technical difficulties. So we just work it from here. Alright. Let's see if Facebook wants to let me do stuff. If you're watching the replay, hashtag replay in the comments. But this is Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. Like and follow my business page. Like and follow, my business page, Telly's Talking Chalk. Visit my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk VIP. And follow me on Instagram and YouTube. When you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Hashtag replay if you're on the replay. Share. Yay, it's going to give me a nice way to do it again. Let me know how your day is going, what you've been up to. There we go. So we're just going to finish off this project that we started yesterday. Let's see. There we go. So this isn't going to take us too long. You really have to. Oh, sorry if husband's taking you on a roller coaster again. What is going on? Oh. There's no lip on that. What's on the inside? That's all. So, we have this guy. I clearly did not rinse this off the way I was supposed to. Oh well. Does that look straight? Nope. Trying to make sure somewhat makes sense of where it is. I'm gonna wait until it flips because I can't even see it on my own screen. So, that looks right to me. Does that look right to you? Alright. Push it on down, make sure there's no bubbles. Oh, I was wondering what was underneath here. I forgot that there's a support board. No, it says pushing down on here. Sorry for the rattle, people. But I was pushing down on the board here, and I'm like, why is there something hard? I have nothing under there. I was doing it even yesterday when I was doing it. I was like, how is there something hard? I thought I had propped something underneath it. Because sometimes you have to prop something underneath it because it's canvas, and if you have something harder underneath, it's easier to like do instead of pushing it all the way down to the table. So I was like, I thought about it yesterday, and then I forgot about it until I was just doing it now. So we're just going to do it all in one color. So I'm just going to go straight down. Oh no. Okay, we're not sticking. Okay. No, this stays. You might have to hold it down. These are reusable if you take good care of them, but I have a bubble right there. And it's because of the... It's actually because of the wood I've got the bubble. You would think the bubble would, or the backing would have been helpful. If you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. I'm hoping this didn't really mess up, because I like how the other part turned out. So I need it all to turn out. Right? It's just that one spot that made me nervous now. But that's the thing, is I have a hard time with canvas and some of the transfers after I've used it a couple of times. Sticking. It sticks to everything else really well. So they are reusable, but canvas, just because it's a material. And well, I didn't actually clean it off the way I was supposed to either, so that might have done something too. Am I catching the bottom of everything now? I always get nervous. I always have Paul tell me if he sees something that I'm not seeing. There. I think we got it. So this is just a short video because that's how easy that is. But you should go back and watch the beginning of this transfer, or this piece, so that you can see it from top to bottom. Let's just go over that bottom part just a tiny bit. Again, and that's because where the wood is. Make sure that I'm getting the bottom of the letters there, because it comes in towards the wood. So that's the nice thing, is you can go over it again and just help it in certain spots.
Over the A.
The A in...
Always.
Yeah, and the E in here, so. I gotcha. I can now see where I didn't put it. But a minute ago I didn't see that. Normally it's on the bottoms that I need to concentrate, not the sides. So I'm just gonna go over it all for 1 sec. Just because this has been drying and it is warm in here today. So it's drying super quick. Which typically is not a bad thing, but you don't want it to dry in your transfer, so. Would be better? Yep. I even went over that just a second ago. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try and connect that E just a tiny bit. It's just there we go. Very cute. It's too close so you can't even see the whole thing.
Yeah, the camera's not straight either.
No, I noticed that too. Just now that I've straightened this out, now the camera's not
If
straight.
you want, hold it up and show it to.
Okay. Well, that's not straight either, but.
There, that looks better.
So there we go. There's the finished project.
Maybe not finished, but
Wow. Okay, there's step 2. We might be putting stars. Or birds or something. If you want, put it in the comments what you think we should do. So that is our finished project. I hope you like it. Well, again, finished for today. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.